Jai class 6 students, how are you? Hope you everyone fine. Class 6 students, listen carefully. This is computer subject and me Karthik Social. Okay. Now today we just going to understand about a new term in Publisher 2013. Okay. A new things in a Publisher 2013. I think everyone just know that it is a chapter 6. It is a chapter 6. Okay. So turn 1. First you just keep your book in your hand and then after you just open page number. Open the page number. Yes. Okay. Page number 18. Page number. Okay. I think you must have known then how to create, how to save a publisher document. Which one? A publisher document. Okay. So on the page number 18, I think we have to see that fill in the blanks. पेज नंबर 80 पर आप लोग देख रहे होंगे fill in the blanks ऑप्शन written है. Fill in the blanks. Okay. So what does the mean about that fill in the blanks? It means here a statement is given there and you have to select the appropriate options those you want to fill on that blank space. Okay. So the first is the guides mark the printable area of a publication. Okay. So the dash guides mark the printable area of a publication. Are you know? Anyone? Then I write the second statement. Wait. This is the first. Second statement is this. To create a blank publication. To create a blank publication, click on the tab. Okay. The third is the ligatures button. The ligatures button is present in the is present in the dash tab, and the fourth refers to the specialized fonts applied to text. Okay, and the last statement is the publisher files are saved with the file extension. Okay, so it is your 5 statements. Those we have to just go into the complete. Then the first says the dash guides mark the printable area of a publication. The printable area of a publication. The guides. Okay. So who is guides for the printable publication area? Okay, so the correct answer of that, the margin guides mark the printable area of a publication. Margin, okay, the margin guides mark the printable area of a publication. Second is to create a blank publication, click on the tab. So everyone just know that if we just want to create a blank presentation, then we have to just click on the file tab. Next, the ligation button is present in the dash tab. So where the ligation option I have taught to you, then just firstly just move out on that. So when just see that the ligation option I think is given on the page number 78, and it when you just need to just insert the ligation, it means 2 characters, 2 letters in a joint form. So for that we have to click on the format tab. Format tab. We have to click on that format tab. Now, fourth is dash refers to the specialized form applied to text. So everyone just know that which one is specialized for the text. I think swatch is a style that applied even the flow the letter. It is a marked textual and attractive to some times. It may be unattractive, which should not. Swatch is not. I think the text is. I read that on the page number. Yes. Typography refers to the specialized font applied to the text. Typography. Typography refers to the specialized fonts applied to the text. The last, the publisher files are saved with the extension. So what is the extension of publisher files? So I think you all know the publisher file extension is .pub okay, .pub the extension of publisher .pub. So it is completed, I think. Okay, now okay, the next topic is this. In this, the last topic is this. Sorry, printing and publication. Okay, suppose your publication is done. जो आपको बनाना था वो आपने बना दिया. You have to done your publication and now you want to print that publication. Okay, so when you need to print that publication, I think you have to just click on the file tab. Okay, file tab. Then on there you have to select the print option. Okay. After that you have to select your printer. Select your printer. Then copies, just select how much copies you just need. Okay, suppose that 1 copy and then click OK. Okay. OK either print. Then click OK either print. Okay, when you just do that, then automatically your page is printed. Okay. Now here you have to select also the ranges, which one from where to where you have to print. Okay. Now the features is this. Printing feature. Printing feature सभी लोग समझ लें. File tab पर पहले जाना है, then print option पे जाना है. ठीक है. After that, make sure printer is connected to the computer. It means पहले वो देख ले कि आपका कंप्यूटर से वो प्रिंटर कनेक्ट है कि नहीं. Then after you have to just go under the setting and select the page size, page range, and format the printable sheets. And then when you have to do all these settings related to the print. After that, you have to just click on the print option. Automatically your publication is printed. Okay. Now after that, when your publication is saved and printed, then the last work of your publication, exiting or closing a publication. Exiting or closing a publication. Okay, that is your next thing, exiting or closing a publication. Then how you just know that? How to just exit about your print? How to just exit either close? Okay. Now just listen carefully. I want to talk a very interesting thing to you. एक नई चीज बताने जा रहा है. I think it's that older, but it's a new one. Have you ever just know when just a program is open, on there this type symbol, this type symbol, and this type symbol is present over there. Okay. So that's the name. That name is window control button. What's the name of that? Window control button. So on that button, this represent minimize, this represent minimize, this represent maximize, this represent close. Okay, these are the some options, those given. Okay, so if you need to close your system, then you just click over here. So your publication is closed. Either you have to just go in the file tab and then select the close option. Okay, so it is a procedure to close your publication. I think you have to understand about the publication and the topics. Hope you just read this chapter again and try to solve the exercises, because on tomorrow we have to just go to write the question answer about this chapter. Thank you.